Tasks to fully develop teamwork skills. Welcome to our presentation on developing teamwork skills through innovative tasks and techniques. Today we will explore creative activities designed to enhance teamwork capabilities using methods like Lego serious play, role rotation with empathy exercises, improv workshops, and gamification. We'll also discuss how to measure progress in developing these skills. Let's dive into each task and see how they can be implemented effectively. Our first task focuses on Lego serious play. This technique involves using Lego bricks to build models that represent team ideas, challenges, or visions. Participants build individually or collaboratively and then share their creations with the team, explaining the story or concept behind their models. To implement Lego serious play, facilitate sessions with clear objectives such as solving a specific problem or envisioning a future project. Guided reflection encourages participants to discuss their models and insights. Indicators of success include improved communication, creative problem solving, and enhanced team cohesion. Progress can be measured by evaluating the quality of discussions during the session, observing the level of engagement among participants, and assessing the creativity of the models produced. Surveys or feedback forms can also provide insights into how team dynamics have improved as a result of the exercise. The second task is role rotation combined with empathy exercises. This approach encourages team members to step into different roles and understand others' perspectives. To implement role rotation, assign different roles within the team periodically, allowing members to experience various aspects of team operations. Incorporate empathy exercises such as empathy mapping and walk in their shoes activities, where team members explore and document the needs, feelings, and challenges of their colleagues or stakeholders. Indicators of success include enhanced flexibility, a deeper understanding of team dynamics, and improved empathy. Progress can be measured by assessing how well team members adapt to new roles, their ability to empathize with others, and the feedback received on team dynamics. This can be done through self-assessment surveys, peer feedback, and observing changes in team interaction patterns over time. The third task involves improv workshops, which use improvisational theatre techniques to enhance spontaneity, adaptability, and collaboration. In these workshops, team members participate in exercises like yes and, where they build on each other's ideas without judgment, fostering a supportive and creative environment. Improv exercises encourage participants to listen actively, think quickly, and embrace uncertainty. To implement improv workshops, facilitate sessions where teams engage in various improv games and activities designed to enhance teamwork skills. Indicators of success include increased adaptability, improved listening skills, and enhanced group dynamics. Progress can be measured by observing how well team members communicate and collaborate spontaneously during these exercises. Feedback from participants and facilitators can also provide insights into improvements in team interactions and creativity. The fourth task focuses on gamification and escape rooms, which use game mechanisms to enhance teamwork and problem-solving skills. In these scenarios, teams are challenged to solve puzzles and complete tasks collaboratively, often within a set time frame. Virtual escape rooms or gamified challenges can be tailored to specific team goals, such as improving communications or fostering strategic thinking. To implement gamification, design scenarios that require teamwork, creativity, and resourcefulness to succeed. Indicators of success include strengthened problem-solving skills, increased team engagement, and effective collaboration. Progress can be measured by tracking success rates in completing challenges, the time taken to solve tasks, and the effectiveness of teamwork during the activity. Observations and debriefing sessions can provide additional insights into how well the team worked together and the strategies they employed. In conclusion, developing teamwork skills requires innovative approaches and creative tasks. By engaging in activities like Lego serious play, role rotation with empathy exercises, improv workshops, and gamification, teams can enhance their teamwork capabilities in fresh and impactful ways. Monitoring indicators of success and measuring progress ensures that these efforts lead to meaningful improvements in teamwork skills and dynamics. Thank you for exploring these innovative tasks and techniques with us today, and we look forward to seeing how they can be applied to enhance teamwork in your teams and organizations. Thank you for joining us in this presentation, and please do not hesitate to share your thoughts, ideas, comments, or questions with our Soft Improve community in the forum section.